Super Easy Drawings. Hello everyone! Welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today, we're going to draw and color Elly taking care of sick Pocoyó. At first, I'm going to draw Elly. I start with her eyes, which are closed, but seems like she's happy. Then I draw her elephant nose and the shape of her head with a nurse hat on top of her head. I draw a cross onto it. Then I draw her elephant ears. Then I continue with her body and arms. I draw a banana and apple, a slice of watermelon, and grapes onto a plate in her hands. Then I draw the straps of her backpack. Okay, now let's draw Pocoyó. I draw his eyes, his nose, and his mouth like this, in O shape. He looks surprised. Then I draw his head and his body. He's under a blanket. I draw his pillow and his bed. Finally, I draw lines onto his head like this because it's covered with a bandage. Great job! Now I'm going to use this thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I color Elly's skin pink. Then I use blue for the stripes of her backpack. The cross on her nurse hat is going to be red. Then I color the fruits. I use yellow for the banana, light green for the apple, red and dark green for the watermelon, and purple for the grapes. I colored the plate gray. Now let's color Pocoyó. I use cream for his skin and light red for his mouth. I color his outfit blue, and the bandage around his head is going to stay white. I add a little yellow here. I color his pillow light purple. For his head, I use aqua blue. Then I color his blanket green. Finally, I add some blue into the background. Yippee! If you like this video, don't hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video!